Tomorrow is St. Patty's Day, and there's no better way to get into the holiday spirit than to consult the spirits. Today's drink will help you have a religious experience. We're mixing the Episcopal. Church is a good thing, or at least it should be. The idea is in the right place. A group of people gathering together to lift each other up and to help each other out. To me, it sounds downright neighborly. But after dealing with all the fakes, the lies, and the acts, I would rather have my spirits lifted, bellied up to this bar. I'm going to make my exodus from church and raise a glass. Today's shot is Galliano, a botanical made in Italy. Maybe daughter of a Rick. Ought to bring that back from Italy. The Episcopal uses green chartreuse and yellow chartreuse. It's named after a traditional green garment worn by priests in the Episcopalian Church. Now, I've never been to an Episcopal gathering, but I've been in plenty of other church services. So far, they all have three things in common. Each one believes in some form of God, each believes something happened at the Grand Canyon, and each one needs to get better chairs, because my ass is always asleep before the last amen. We got to start with Sir Ricky's famous balls, that is, ice balls. Sir Rick's famous balls, ice balls. 3/4 ounce of yellow chartreuse, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. That's so good, I think I'm going to make the April cocktails using yellow chartreuse. One and a half ounces of green chartreuse, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Oh no, man down. We need reinforcements. Next man up. Lightly stir. We are going to garnish this with a blessing. Be healed. And this is holy water. I mean, the Episcopal. Today's word of wisdom is community. That's a shared sense of togetherness and belonging between a group of people. That's funny. Kind of sounds like church, or at least what church should be, but it's not. You see, no one wants friendship anymore. They want Facebook groups. They want everyone else to see how many connections they have while forming as few human bonds as possible. Church has become a room that everyone sits in together while secretly listening to Bon Jovi on their AirPods. I'm going to level with you. Lately, I've gotten more community playing Wordle than I have taking communion. And that's a single player game. But after dealing with all the fakes, the lies, and the acts, I would rather have my spirits lifted, bellied up to this bar. I'm going to make my exodus from church and raise a glass. I held the stupid 3 up the whole time.